At Wholesome, we want all the best. For you, for our farmers, and for our planet. That's why we're working with sugarcane growers in Paraguay to bring you minimally processed, regenerative organic certified sugars that take to heart our earth and its future.
Nosotros no tocamos lo que es la naturaleza, mantenemos la biodiversidad, también el tema de la labranza mínima que incorporamos nos está dando muy buenos resultados.
This is super cool. This sugar is Regenerative Organic Certified. That means that the farmers are taking really good care of the soil, and it's really good for our planet.
This sugar that sweetens your life helps restore the soil. And healthy soil is the foundation for the future of our food system.
Deseamos que puedan probar lo que es el azúcar, que es algo lindo, que es algo bien natural, que puede consumir algo de Paraguay y que va a ser lo mejor.
By making and baking with these sugars, you support Regenerative Organic Certified farms and farmers in Paraguay, as we seek to bring the best for your family and families across the globe for generations to come.
All the best from my kitchen.
Todo lo mejor desde Paraguay.
Todo lo mejor desde Paraguay.
All the best for all. That's Wholesome.